Tired of a dead phone? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh, your ultimate power solution that can charge an iPhone 6 plus times. Imagine never having that low battery anxiety again, whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply out all day. This powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, meaning days of consistent power for all your devices without needing an outlet. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speeds for any connected device, from smartphones to tablets. With its convenient dual USB ports, you can effortlessly power up 2 gadgets simultaneously, perfect for sharing or managing multiple devices. Anker is renowned for its reliability and premium build quality, ensuring this portable charger isn't just powerful, but also incredibly durable. For students, travelers, or anyone needing dependable power on the go, this is an absolutely essential gadget to pick up for 2025. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Tap the link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20,000 from Amazon. Stop worrying about finding an outlet and start enjoying uninterrupted connectivity with this top-tier portable charger. I highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh. It's the smart investment for reliable power in 2025 and beyond.